Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing 41. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off on the top left and let's draw the first eye with an oval. And then inside, let's add a circle near the bottom. And another circle inside this one. And color this one in black. And that's it for the first eye. Now let's draw the number 4 around it. Let's start on the left and let's draw an angle up and over to the right side. Then at the top, let's bring it over. And then bring it down on the right. Now at the bottom here, let's draw a small line out. Bring it down. And back in. Now top over to the left and let's draw a line down, stopping at the same level as the other side. And then let's bring it in, stopping here, leaving a gap. Now to finish off the 4, let's draw 2 lines down. And a line across the bottom. Next, we're going to hop inside and let's draw an angle down towards the eye. And then let's continue that angle underneath the eye. Then let's bring it down on the right side. And across. And that's it for the number 4. Now let's hop over and let's draw the one on the right side. On the right, we're going to move a little bit down from the top and we're going to draw a small line down. And then let's angle it up and over to the right side. Now let's bring it across. And another line across underneath here. And then let's bring it down with 2 lines, stopping at the same level as the number 4. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw the eye. Let's draw an oval inside near the top here. Then add a circle inside at the bottom. And one more inside this one. And color it in black. And that's it for the numbers. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Underneath, let's step in and let's draw 2 lines down. And then let's add 2 lines across inside each leg. Now at the bottom, let's add the feet. Let's draw a longer line across. and then bring it down on both ends. And close it off to form a rectangle. Now from the bottom corners, we're going to angle it out and a line across. Now inside, let's add 2 more angles up. And close it off at the top. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a line down from each of the bottom corners. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop to the inside here and let's draw another line down. And angle it down to close off the feet. And then lastly, let's add a border at the bottom by drawing a line across and then angle it up. And that's it for the legs and feet. Lastly, let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on the left underneath the number 4 and let's draw 2 angles down and out. And close it off at the end and add 1 more angle inside. And then let's bring it out with 2 lines. Now for the hand, let's draw a long line down, bring it out from the top and the bottom, and close it off at the end. And then let's add 1 more line across inside. Now let's add the fingers. At the top, let's draw a line out and bring it down. Now underneath, let's draw the next finger by drawing a longer rectangle underneath. Then another shorter one underneath. And 1 more smaller one. And lastly, for the thumb, let's draw a rectangle shape up on top. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's hop over to the right side. Let's start on the bottom right and let's draw a small angle out. And then bring it down. And add another angle underneath. Now let's close it off at the end and add 1 more line inside. Now from the bottom corners, let's angle it down and out like this. Now let's add the hand at the end. Let's draw a longer line across. Angle it out on each end. And close it off to form a rectangle shape. And then let's add a line inside. Now at the ends, let's add the fingers. Let's start on the right and let's draw a line down and angle it back in. Add a longer rectangle for the next finger. A shorter one next to it. And one more smaller one. And lastly, one coming out from the right side here for the thumb. And that's it for 41. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!